KTN.
Let's now move to Homa Bay, and the infightings between Homa Bay Governor Gladice Wanga and her deputy Oyugi Magwanga seems to have escalated, with the governor indirectly hitting out at the county deputy boss Oyugi Magwanga and rivals for allegedly plotting to dethrone her during campaigns, which saw Magwanga openly support a rival candidate for the Kasipul Member of Parliament seat in the just concluded by-elections. Governor Wanga, who has had a frosty relationship with the deputy, has now openly dared her detractors to resign and pave way for those willing to work with her. And whether that will happen is a question only time can answer. Here's Gloria Milimu with more.
We are not conmen. Political tensions have reached boiling point in Homa Bay County as the icy relationship between Governor Gladice Wanga and her deputy Oyugi Magwanga continues to play out even after the just concluded mini-polls, where the Orange Democratic Movement Party ODM affirmed its dominance in the region by retaining the Kasipul parliamentary seat. Governor Wanga and her deputy, who officially drew political battle lines when they campaigned for different candidates in the by-elections, has now hit out at those who allegedly ganged up against her during the campaigns and allegedly hijacked the campaigns to dethrone her. Speaking during a burial in Homa Bay, the county's boss dared those displeased with her leadership to hit the road.
Nika serikali manyotek nya wote ipinka malit kasadoka nyamarembe gonyo te magonyo mabaro randas monde ka bed governor ma Homa Bay kagwalo ngato ni mondo tiye serikali ma Homa Bay nyako tigira tire serikali no to chieng mo winyo ni serikali no rach moko nyal tiye to gwetao to weyo to njakanyale machielo timori nade bede kastai makora dwa pidho kora wuotho go e kore ka ngama dwa ti chinge ngama dwa tiyo ne jopiny ndani ngama dwa pesa mi wuotho go mikawo yandea inje.
The impeachment of my Deputy Governor Magwanga in Homa Bay, not a priority just because he has got differing political opinions with Governor Wanga. And that if it's a question of his impeachment, it will have to be in line with the laid down grounds by law.
Political experts say the mini-poll was not just a litmus test for the ODM party after the death of its leader Raila Odinga, but also Governor Wanga's influence in the county, considering that her deputy openly campaigned for a different candidate despite being members of the same party.
If it's a question of punishing him, it's incumbent upon ODM to punish him for going against the party line. But given the fact that they are not working in harmony with Governor Gladice Wanga, if at all Deputy Governor Magwanga absconds duty, fails to deliver, and violates the law via the Constitution and the County Government Act, then the County Assembly will move swiftly to impeach him because already the political ground and temperature are working against him.
As the rift between the two continue to grow, the political landscape in Homa Bay is also seemingly morphing into a similar situation that was witnessed in the neighboring Siaya County last year, where Siaya Governor James Orengo and his deputy William Udwol had their fair share of infightings, forcing the intervention of Senate on the matter. Whether the strained relationship between the two leaders will survive the remaining few months to the 2027 general election is a matter only time will tell, and whether the outright division that the rift has planted among voters in the region will play out in the general election remains to be seen. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
KTN has obtained exclusive CCTV footage